You know, when people think of Oregon, they often think of the beautiful coastline or the amazing mountains like Mount Hood, or even the bridge city of Portland, where they like to keep things weird. Hello, my name is Jon Gross, and I'm your host today, and welcome to American Dream TV. Today I'm in McMinnville, Oregon, the center of a wine country of the Willamette Valley, and we are at the McMinnville's UFO Festival. The weird has left Portland, and it's landed in McMinnville today. We're standing right outside of McMinnville's Hotel Oregon. They're the main reason for this event every year, the McMinnville's UFO Fest. We're gonna go inside, maybe make our way up to the rooftop for the rooftop party. And this is the reason thousands of people come to McMinnville every year for all the activities happening inside here. Hey, we are now at McMinnville's Hotel Oregon, above McMinnville downtown at the rooftop bar, and I am with my friend Ashley Cornwell, and she is telling us all about McMinnville's involvement in the UFO Fest. So I want to start with this. Why in the world do we have a UFO festival in McMinnville, Oregon? Where did that start?
Well, 1950, the Trent farmers just outside of McMinnville caught sight of a UFO. Here is a 1950 photo of that photo that the Trent farmers took.
That's actually the actual Life magazine, the original Life magazine from 1950. Super, super cool.
Yeah.
So, okay, so that's how it started. What's been McMinnville's involvement?
So McMinnville's has a history department, and we really cherish history and bringing to light community things that are important and make sense to talk about. So in 2000s, we found research that the sighting happened, and our historian had a little talk with the person who studied and wrote that article.
Okay, yeah.
Here at Hotel Oregon in the Paragon room. And it overflowed the room, and it turned into this massive thing where we were like, everyone wants to hear more about these UFOs.
So they did an interview with a person here. Everybody showed up. So now, 26 years later?
Yeah.
So if somebody's coming for the UFO Festival, what are they going to experience? Especially the true believers. Like, what are they coming to see and do?
True believers. So for McMinnville's, it goes back to those history roots. We have speakers from all over the United States come every year, UFOologists, people who have been investigated by Congress, people who believe in UAPs, and it happens at the community center down the street from McMinnville's. And then there's also a parade that's pretty out of this world. There's costume contests, there's live music, there's all the food you could ever eat, there's great drinks.
Awesome, I love it all.
It's a lot of fun.
You got it all. So tell us about McMinnville specifically. What can you do when you come here?
So McMinnville specifically, you can rent a hotel room and really party away the whole weekend here with us. You can enjoy the rooftop bar, food and drinks. You can party down in our tent, in all of our other restaurants, small bars. October every year is when we release the hotel rooms. They go the day of, so get on that list quick.
Gosh, that sounds amazing. What a blast. I want to say, I'm local, I'm going to get a room.
Cool.
What do you think?
I love that.
All right, perfect. We are here with my friends Emily and Samantha, and they are the co-directors of the McMinnville Downtown Association. I said that right? Okay, awesome.
They're great.
So I want to start off just by asking you, what is the Downtown Association's involvement with the UFO Festival?
Sure. Yeah, we bring down about 100 vendors during UFO Fest, and we put them on the side streets on 3rd Street.
Yeah.
And they vend beautiful handmade wares. We have arts and crafts vendors. We have local makers who show up at our farmers market that pop up at UFO Fest as well.
Totally.
We also have a very fabulous parade that happens each year. It is the highlight, I think, of UFO Fest weekend.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thousands and thousands of people come down to watch it, and it's wonderful.
And I believe in the past, this has been the biggest alien festival. Do you know, are we first, second, somewhere in there?
We're the largest in the world, yeah.
So this is in McMinnville, Oregon. We have the largest alien festival in the world.
We do.
Between McMinnville Downtown Association and McMinnville's putting it on. I love that. What makes downtown McMinnville specifically special and different than maybe other downtowns?
Well, I think that when you come downtown, you'll find all kinds of fun things to do. There's unique retailers that have, amazing things to sell. There's boutique hotels. There's world-class farm-to-table restaurants and tasting rooms galore. There's things to do for everyone here.
Tasting farm to table and wine and beer, because I'm a beer guy.
Beer, we have wonderful beer here too.
Ladies, I appreciate you both very much. Thank you very much. Well, thank you for joining us at the McMinnville downtown and McMinnville's Hotel Oregon UFO Fest. I hope you had a great time, and whether you're a true believer or not, we look forward to seeing you in the future. Nanu Nanu, and may the force be with you. I'm Jon Gross, and this is American Dream TV.